Purification of water is to remove unwanted contaminants like chemical, biological, organic, and make us safe for drinking, medical use or industrial application by eliminating harmful substances that could cause illness or damage equipment. When we put the dirt water in the ballast store,
I hope you have understood my presentation well.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amna. I'm a
Pollution. The addition of harmful substances such as smog, chemical in the air called pollution. We have many types of pollution, but we made a model only on air pollution. Air is a mixture of gases in the atmosphere with a different composition called air. Some of the effects of air pollution are that air pollution affects human health. Air pollution is damaging the ozone layer that protects Earth from harmful radiation coming from the sun. Then we define carbon. Smoke from vehicles and factories is a major source of air pollution. Planting trees and flowers can keep the air clean because it absorbs bad things such as carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Thanks.
I am a bank manager. I am responsible for customer services, hiring and sales.
I am a lineman. I maintain and repair electrical power system, including the land supply, power to home and business.
I am a farmer. I grow fruit and vegetables.
I am a waiter. I serve food to customers at hotels and wedding halls.
I am a businessman. I sell and buy different products.
I am journalist. I report news through newspaper, television, radio and internet.
I am a doctor. I work in a hospital and study medicine to my patient.